Oke, siap. Kita mau unboxing HP Officejet 7720. Ya, jadi printer ini adalah printer A3, tapi dia bisa scan dan copy itu hanya sampai dengan legal size. Jadi hanya printnya aja A3, tapi nggak bisa scan sampai dengan A3. Oke, kali ini kita lihat unboxingnya. Cara setup printernya, cara pasang cartridge-nya, dan isi kertas sampai dia test print. Oke, jadi sebentar kita masuk ke video YouTube-nya. Oke, silakan dimulai. Kita bisa lihat sekarang.
Today I am going to show you unboxing, setting up, and installing the HP Officejet Pro 7720 printer. The first thing we're going to do is open the box, so pop the tape and pry back the flaps. Inside the box you will find the manuals and setup guides for your printer. Also, you will receive an installation disk for your printer for both Windows and Mac. HP recommends downloading the latest software from 123.hp.com and using the disk as a backup. Here is an Ethernet cable for wired network connections. A USB cable. Here is the printer's power cord. HP recommends always using the power cord shipped with your printer. For faxing, here's a 2-wire phone cable for setting up your fax line. This 2-wire phone cable supplied with your printer is best for faxing. And here you will find a complete set of setup cartridges. These cartridges are required for the initial setup of your printer. Replacement cartridges bought from the store cannot be used for setting up the printer. Remove the styrofoam from the top of the printer and then set them aside for recycling. All packing materials in the box are recyclable. For more information, go to hp.com/recycle. With the assistance of another person, grab the plastic bag holding the printer and lift it out of the box. Set the box aside for recycling. Place the printer on a flat surface. Remove the printer from the plastic bag. Next, remove all the visible blue tape, clear protective plastic, and styrofoam from around the printer. Lift the scanner lid. Remove the styrofoam sheet, and then close the scanner lid. Slide out the input tray. Open the tray extension and continue removing the tape and other packing materials. Close the tray extension and slide in the input tray. Remove the twist tie from the power cord, and then plug it into the port on the back of the printer. Make sure it is firmly in place. Plug the other end of the power cord into a wall outlet. HP recommends using a wall outlet for best performance of your printer. Press the power button. Adjust the display for better viewing. On the printer control panel, choose your language. Select your country or region. Touch Continue Setup. Now we are going to install the cartridges that came with the printer. Open the ink cartridge access door. Grab the bundled cartridges and remove the plastic. Starting with a cyan cartridge, insert it into the corresponding slot in the printer. Push in until you feel it snap into place. Next, install the magenta cartridge. Then the yellow, and lastly the black. With all the cartridges installed, close the ink cartridge access door. The printer prompts you to load paper. Slide out the input tray. Load unused plain white paper in the tray and adjust the paper width and length guides. Slide in the input tray. Touch OK to begin calibrating the printer. The printer will align the print head and print out a page. With the calibration complete, touch OK. Follow any prompts on the control panel to complete setting up the hardware. Now you can set up the software for your printer from either a Windows computer, Mac, or your mobile device. On your computer, open a web browser. Go to 123.hp.com/setup. On HP's site, click Download, and then follow the on-screen prompts to complete setting up your printer. Open the file and read and respond to the prompts to complete the software setup. For further information or assistance with setting up the software for your printer, visit hp.com/support videos. This has been the unboxing, setup, and installation of the HP Officejet Pro 7720 printer.
Oke, semoga berguna informasinya. Jadi kalau misalnya ada yang mau install pakai driver yang nggak ada di CD driver, bisa download secara online di www.123.hp.com. Semuanya sekarang serba online. Terima kasih.
Pro 7